What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, you have the power to shape your financial destiny? That a few simple decisions in your 20s could mean the difference between struggling for decades or becoming financially free before you hit 40. Too many people waste their 20s thinking they have time. But the truth is, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through smart choices made early on. And here's the best part. You don't need a trust fund, a six-figure job, or even a lucky break to start. Just a strategy. And no, this isn't one of those buy a $5 latte and never retire lectures. We're talking real, practical steps that work. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint for building wealth, no matter where you're starting from. How to build wealth in your 20s with little to no money. Most people in their 20s make the same 3 mistakes that keep them broke. Mistake number 1, living for today, forgetting about tomorrow. We all know that one person who's always on vacation, constantly upgrading their phone, and somehow broke at the same time. They're living their best life until reality hits. Here's a harsh truth. If you don't control your money will control you. And by the time you realize it, you might already be drowning in debt, stuck in a job you hate, and years behind in wealth building. But there's a way out, and it starts with a simple shift in mindset. Let's talk about the 6 game-changing strategies that can turn your financial life around. 1. Pay yourself first. Even if it's just $10. Think you're too broke to save? Wrong. Even $10 a week adds up. The habit of saving is more important than the amount. Start now, automate it, and watch your money grow. Source 2. Learn high-income skills. You don't need a degree to make serious money. Copywriting, coding, sales, digital marketing. These skills can turn you into a money-making machine. The best part, you can learn them for free. And no, scrolling TikTok for side hustle hacks doesn't count as learning. 3. Master the art of investing. Even with pocket change, investing isn't just for the rich. Thanks to apps like Robinhood and Acorns, you can start with just a few dollars. But the key? Consistency. Wealthy people don't time the market. They spend time in the market. 4. Avoid lifestyle creep. Like the plague, get a raise? Great, but don't fall into the trap of upgrading your life every time you make more money. Keep your expenses low, invest the difference, and watch how fast your wealth grows. 5. Build multiple income streams. Now, relying on one paycheck is like standing on one leg. It's unstable. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, or even a small online store, having extra income gives you financial freedom. 6. Surround yourself with wealth builders. Your environment shapes you. Hang out with broke-minded people, and you'll stay broke. Connect with ambitious, financially smart individuals, and you'll level up fast. But there's one last move that could make or break everything. Here's the secret no one talks about. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about identity. The reason most people never build wealth, they don't see themselves as wealth builders. They see themselves as just getting by. And guess what? Your actions will always follow your identity. So today, decide that you are someone who builds wealth. Make choices that align with that version of you. Every dollar you save, every skill you learn, every investment you make, it all compounds. Because here's the truth. Time is your greatest asset. Start now, and in a few years, your future self will thank you. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with others who need it. And if you're serious about building wealth, subscribe, because I break down real strategies every week. Drop a comment below. What's one step you're going to take today to secure your financial future? Let's build a community of future millionaires.